way! No way! What are the chances of that? That is insane! Bruh, nah, I need to know the chances of that. That is... Nah. What if I told you that I would be more likely to win the lottery than to have that happen at all in my entire lifetime? I am more likely to get killed in a plane crash, to get eaten by a shark, to become president of the United States? Those odds are straight up insanity. But how did this happen? And what are the actual odds of it happening? Well, let me show you. So one day I was achievement hunting on Hypixel, and I was looking through Plank.io, and I saw this one achievement on Skywars called Uh-oh. And I looked at it and it had the description of spawn the mystery mob using the Zookeeper kit. I saw this and I was pretty curious, right? So I went in game, I bought the Zookeeper kit, and I just started grinding. I didn't know what the mob was, and especially how lucky I had to be to spawn the mob in a game. For all I knew, it could have taken all day, and I'm really glad it didn't. As you saw from the intro, the mystery mob is actually a giant zombie with a spawn chance of 0.34%, which is around 1 in 312. Dividing that by 3, we get the chance of getting the giant zombie when we place down a single egg, which is 0.11%, or around 1 in 900. And that's the simplest math. Trust me, it gets worse. We just went over the chance of getting the achievement. I haven't even gone over my insanely lucky game. This is where the odds start getting insane, so stick with me here. In the game you saw in the intro, I got both a giant zombie and a ghast. A ghast having a 1.36% chance of spawning when you place an egg. When you multiply both chances of spawning both mobs together, you get a low chance of 0.00004624%, or around 1 in 2,162,629. That's when you're just considering the fact that you're getting both a ghast and a giant zombie in the same game. Now let's say we add in the cow to the equation. You know, there's 3 eggs you gotta place down for the Zookeeper kit. Let's add that into the odds, and you get 0.00000314432%, or around 1 in 31,800,000. Now that's getting to the crazy numbers, and that's not all, because we can just fiddle with what happens there a little bit more, and we can nitpick, and we can get those numbers a little bit lower, and by a little bit I mean a lot, because if you get the odds of it being in that specific order, you get 0.0000052405333, and it keeps on with the 3s, percent chance of that happening. Getting those 3 mobs in that order. And that percent chance is equivalent to about 1 in 20 million. I couldn't get the exact number because the calculator that I was using didn't let me use numbers that had that many digits. It's just that insane. So, in conclusion, I've done way too much math. Getting the achievement is a chance of 1 in every 312 games, which makes it the luckiest Skywars achievement. My game luck for the game you saw in the intro was 1 in around 20 million, and I should buy a lottery ticket.